You searched how to buy shares of Ashtead Group. Ashtead is an equipment rental company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker AHT.L. This short guide is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your wallet before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AHT.L to locate the Ashtead Group listing. Verify the exchange's LSE to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name, ticker AHT.L, and the London exchange match the Ashtead Group listing. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when the market opens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before you can confirm. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, I left a link in the description to the platform used in this demo.